Sick of struggling to get under your car for maintenance or repairs? Or maybe you're tired of wrestling with that clunky jack every time you need to check something underneath? It might be time to upgrade to a reliable set of car ramps. This must-have garage accessory isn't just about making your life easier. They're designed to provide safe and sturdy support for everything from oil changes to exhaust work. But with so many car ramps in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 8 best car ramps. Whether you're looking for one with the highest weight capacity or a budget-friendly one, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 8 is the DONX car ramp. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. These ramps make lifting your car super easy and safe, so you can work on it without breaking a sweat. Unlike traditional jacks, these ramps are a breeze to use. They're lightweight, so you can move them around easily, but they're also really sturdy, meaning they'll hold up under the weight of your car. These ramps have a low-profile design. If you have a car with a low chassis, these ramps are perfect for you. They give you the clearance you need to get under there and do your thing, whether it's changing the oil, checking out the brakes, or tackling any other maintenance tasks. These ramps are perfect for DIYers who want to make car maintenance at home more convenient. Plus, they're built to last, so you can count on them to be there whenever you need them. Overall, the DONX car ramps are a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable way to lift their car for maintenance tasks. Being lightweight and easy to handle, they're convenient for both garage storage and transportation. However, if you need more height or have a very heavy vehicle, then our next options are worth considering. Number 7 is the hydraulic car ramps. These car ramps are the best hydraulic ramps on our list. With a capacity of 10,000 pounds, these ramps are perfect for all your maintenance and repair needs, whether you're working on a car, truck, or even a trailer. They make it super simple to lift your vehicle, saving you from the hassle of using those old-fashioned jacks. These ramps are not just strong, they're also super easy to use. Thanks to their hydraulic system, they let you lift your vehicle with minimal effort. The ramps are low profile, which means they're great for vehicles with low clearance. Just drive up, and you're ready to go. They lift your car to a good height so you can comfortably work underneath without feeling cramped. Plus, they're built tough, so you can count on them to last for years, making them a great investment for any home garage or workshop. Whether you're changing the oil, checking the brakes, or doing other maintenance work, these ramps make it easy and safe. Overall, the hydraulic car ramps offer a strong and reliable solution for lifting vehicles, with a substantial weight capacity of 10,000 pounds per ramp. The hydraulic mechanism allows for adjustable height, making it versatile for different maintenance needs. Number 6 is the Roadblock car ramps. These portable, low-profile car ramps are the real deal. Measuring 17.5 inches long, 10 inches wide, and just over 3 inches high, they're perfect for lifting your car just enough without making you break a sweat. They're lightweight and easy to store, so they won't take up much space in your garage. Plus, they're super easy to move around whenever you need them. These ramps have a heavy-duty design. Made to support your car like a champ, they're perfect for low-chassis vehicles that usually struggle with regular ramps. No more worrying about scraping the bottom of your car. Just drive up and these ramps will do the rest. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just want an easy way to maintain your car, these ramps are a must-have. Overall, the car ramps for lift and vehicle maintenance are a practical choice for those with low chassis cars needing a bit of extra height for maintenance tasks. Their portable, low-profile design makes them easy to store and maneuver in a garage setting. Number 5 is these RR56 ramps. These are the best race ramps in our list. These ramps give you an awesome 8 inches of lift, which is just what you need to get a good look underneath your car. They're designed to handle tires up to 10 inches wide, making them perfect for most cars out there. Got a low-profile vehicle? No worries. The 10.8-degree approach angle is super gentle, so you can drive up without scratching or denting anything. Each ramp can hold up to 1,500 pounds, plus they're lightweight and easy to carry around, so you can take them wherever you need. And if you want to know the latest prices for the car ramps discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Rhino ramps. These ramps are the best for trucks. These are tough and perfect for all your vehicle maintenance needs. These ramps can handle a whopping 16,000 pounds, which means they're super strong and can support pretty much any car or truck you have. Whether you're changing the oil, checking the brakes, or just doing a routine checkup, these ramps will make everything way easier. These ramps are super safe. They have this special core-track non-skid base that keeps them firmly in place so you don't have to worry about them slipping while you're driving your car up. The ramps also have a nice wide surface that makes them stable, which is great for giving you peace of mind when you're working underneath your vehicle. These ramps are made from a durable plastic material that's not only lightweight, but also incredibly strong. That means you can move them around without breaking a sweat and store them easily when you're done. Whether you're a car maintenance pro or just like to tinker around in your garage, these ramps are a must-have. Overall, the Rhino ramps are a solid choice if you're in need of heavy-duty vehicle ramps that can handle extreme weight and provide a reliable, sturdy lift. However, if you have a low-profile car, this might be a good choice considering its 17-degree incline. Number 3 is the pile car ramps. These are the highest weight capacity ramps on our list. This thing is like a revolution for loading and unloading stuff, and it's built to handle a bunch of different uses. They're perfect for loading docks, garages, sidewalks, and even for your truck, scooter, bike, motorcycle, or wheelchair. They can handle all kinds of weight and keep everything rolling smoothly. These ramps are known for their versatility. Whether you need to get a wheelchair up onto a curb or move heavy equipment, these ramps make it a lot easier. They help smooth out the transition between different heights, so you won't have to deal with any awkward bumps or gaps. Overall, the pile car ramp is a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable, heavy-duty ramp for their everyday needs. It's practical, strong, and super easy to use. Number 2 is the Black Widow plastic car ramps. These are the best value ramps on our list. It's relatively low at just 6.25 inches, which is usually enough to get a good look underneath. They're 12 inches wide, so they're nice and stable, helping you keep your car securely in place while you work. Plus, they come in a pack of 2, so you'll have ramps for both front tires. These ramps are super tough too. They can hold up to 10,000 pounds, so they can handle just about any car or truck you've got. Even though they're made of plastic, they're really strong and durable. They're also lightweight and easy to move around, which is great if you're working in different spots or need to store them away when you're done. Number 1 is the Max Hall Detachable Car Ramp. These are the best overall ramps on our list. These portable low-profile car ramps are the real deal. Measuring 17.5 inches long, 10 inches wide, and just over 3 inches high, they're perfect for lifting your car just enough without making you break a sweat. They're lightweight and easy to store, so they won't take up much space in your garage. Plus, they're super easy to move around whenever you need them. What's really awesome about these ramps is their heavy-duty design. Made to support your car like a champ, they're perfect for low-chassis vehicles that usually struggle with regular ramps. Now, no more worrying about scraping the bottom of your car. Just drive up, and these ramps will do the rest. Overall, the Max Hall Detachable Car Ramp set offers flexibility with its extendable and detachable design, accommodating up to 6,500 pounds when used as a pair. They're a great choice if you need a high-capacity ramp that's easy to store and transport. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect car ramp much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.